Check. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. La la la. What do you think? What should we talk about? I don't know. What do you want to talk about? Well, we should definitely have an Ojibwe word of the day. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Jinganim. Hate. What do you hate? Jinganim. Oh, I really hate. Oh, I really love to hate. I don't know. What do I hate? I don't hate anything. I know some people are like, oh, don't you hate injustice? Don't you hate racism? Don't you hate whatever? Like, nah. I don't think we're supposed to hate anything. You're definitely not supposed to hate people. You know? I remember my grandma. She would never say, oh, I hate that person. You know, I mean, she would gossip and kind of complain about people sometimes, but she would just say, oh, I don't care at all about that person. I don't care about that. I don't care about them. That was as harsh as she would allow herself to say. Manu, don't care. Ni manu. I don't care. But, you know, I was thinking about the protesters and all the, you know, they say, oh, we hate Donald Trump. We hate fascism. We hate racism. And it's like, do ya? Or did you love it in a little bit when something happened that was like a call to action? It's like, oh, yeah. Now, see, look what this thing just happened. Oh, we're so angry. And yet, I think a lot of protesters, it's the one thing that gives them purpose. It's like, finally, we get to do something about all my hate. But I don't think the feeling that they have is hate. I don't even know what hate is, honestly. Hate. I hate. I don't hate anything. So there you go. Jinganim. Hate. Hate is what I am. You know. Oh, I hate. I hate it when... Don't you hate it when... I used to have a whole list of things I hate. I guess I'm in a better place. Maybe we should do a show on how to like get over depression. All right, let's do that. All right, take 2. How to get over depression. So your life's not going the way you want it to go. So you found yourself once again all miserable. You got a whole list of things you hate. Oh, I hate my job. I hate I hate my friends. I hate the town I live in. I hate what I look like. I hate that I'm so out of shape. I hate that women never like me. This used to be my list of things I hated. When you're depressed, in the Anishinaabe way, they say you're out of balance. You're a cozy. And if I was giving advice to the ladies, I would say, go talk to your auntie. I'm a guy. I shouldn't be giving you advice in this way. So this is for the men. Men. The reason you're depressed is because you're a failure and you're a loser. Yeah, I know what you're saying. I can hear you swearing at me right now. But I'm doing this because I love you. The women in your life are gonna tell you, oh, you know what? You need to talk about your feelings. You need to learn some coping skills. You have a disorder. You have depression. You have anxiety. But I'm here to tell you, everybody has depression and anxiety. Everybody loses once in a while. Sometimes you may go for decades as a loser. I was thinking about this. This is why I think people really get triggered with Donald Trump. Because he brought back the term loser. And there's nothing more than a loser hates than when a big rich guy says, oh, you're a loser and I'm a winner. I won the presidency. I win. You know, he's a casino guy. He's all about, I'm a winner. But if you want to cheer yourself up, the answer is not in learning how to cope with your situation. It's in learning how to change your situation completely. If you are not happy, if you're not living the life you really have always wanted to, if you're not who you want to be, you know, like when you're a little kid and you're like, oh, when I grow up, I want to be blah, blah, blah. But mostly you pictured yourself being happy, healthy, you know, doing what you want, having enough money, having good relationships, whatever. If you're not doing all of that, then you're not winning. Like, what's that guy's name? That loser. Charlie Sheen, winning. I'm glad that went away. But, so my advice to young men from your old uncle, NANABOOZHOO here. If you're not living the life, it's because you made the wrong choices. It's all your fault. You're not a victim of, oh, my mom was so mean to me. Oh, society. It's racism. You know, the man is keeping me down. You think Muhammad Ali was like, oh, geez, racism is keeping me down. I want to be a good boxer, but the white man won't let me. Nah. Muhammad Ali. Only you are. This is the good news. If it's all your fault, if you take responsibility for the situation you're in, then you also know that, hey, if I can make this happen, I can make just the opposite thing happen. You got to get creative. You got to get serious. You got to say, what do I want? Who do I want to be? How do I get there? And you got to start making better choices. So it's 3 things. If you're not getting the results, it's because you're making the wrong choices. And those wrong choices are based on wrong beliefs about yourself, about who you are or whatever, about the path that it'll take. And I forget the third one. But I'm telling you from experience, I was a loser for most of my life. And nobody would have said that about me. In fact, I would have, my friends, but no, you're not. You're not a loser. But I wasn't happy. And I wasn't doing what I wanted to do. And I couldn't relax. I had anxiety and depression. And I blamed everybody else because I didn't want to think I was the loser. But when I got on the right path and I took responsibility, good things started happening. So I'm not going to tell you in this video how to make those decisions. But at the end of the day, if you're young, talk to an elder. But also, trust in yourself. You know what it takes. You know who you want to be. You got to believe in yourself. I don't know. What else? I don't know. I think that's pretty good. All right. This is a weird one. I don't know. Maybe it's helpful. Just want to say, miigwech. Hey, you guys going to do a song? Yeah, we're going to do Golden Years. Oh, awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, Natasha and Michael are going to sing a song by David Bowie, and it's called Golden Years. Take it away, you guys.
Don't let me hear you say life's taking you nowhere. Angel, come up the baby. Look at that sky, now life's begun. Nights are warm and the days are young. Come up the baby. Where's my baby? Lost that soul. Once I'm begging you, save her little self. Come up the baby. Run for the shadows. Run for the shadows. Run for the shadows in these golden years. Last night they loved you, opening doors and pulling some strings. Angel, come up the baby. In walked luck and you looked in time. Never looked back, walk tall, act fine. Come up the baby. Stick with your baby for 1,000 years. Nothing's gonna touch you in these golden years. Golden years. Gold. Wop, wop, wop. Gold. One day soon and it won't be long, gonna drive right down where you once belonged. In the back of a dream car 20 foot long. Don't cry my sweet, don't break my heart. Doing life you've gotta get smart. Wish upon day upon day. I believe, oh Lord, I believe all the way. Run for the shadows. Run for the shadows. Run for the shadows in these golden years. I'll stick with you, baby, for 1,000 years. Nothing's gonna touch you in these golden years. Golden years. Gold. Wop, wop, wop. Gold. Golden years. Wop, wop, wop. Run for the shadows, run for the shadows, run for the shadows in these golden years. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO. I am Natasha. And this is the end of the show. Gigawabamin Minawa. Oh, that was awesome, dude. Hey, thanks.